What's up guys, the VIVO X30 is expected to arrive in the month of December 2019 and we finally have a first look at the phone's back thanks to an official teaser. The 30-second video reveals a vertical camera setup in the upper left corner with a rectangular aperture beside it. The most interesting bit is the frame of a camera, which confirms 16mm to 135mm focal length and f1.8 to f3.0 apertures. Those confirm the X30 will come with an ultra-wide angle camera and a long f3.0 telephoto. The latter will likely use a periscope design that ends in the aforementioned rectangular aperture. VIVO X30 is expected to be the first smartphone sporting Samsung Exynos 980 chipset that has an integrated 5G modem. The phone will be capable to operate both on standalone and non-standalone networks, but we expect to see a non-5G variant in the mix, which should act as a budget option of the VIVO X30. When the phone arrives, it will be the first device from the X series with 5G connectivity. VIVO X30 should be able to compete with the Xiaomi Mi 9 Pro 5G, Honor V30 5G and Huawei Nova 6 5G on the domestic scene in China and in the international market. So this is all we know about the upcoming VIVO X30 5G smartphone. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button and do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.